Thank you for viewing this brief training video for the PM65 EasyGoVac aspirator. Please consult the user manual for more information on troubleshooting, procedures, and warranty information. The EasyGoVac aspirator provides a portable AC/DC powered medical vacuum source. It is intended for use in home care or the healthcare environment. The PM65 comes complete with a transport bag, a single-use patient suction tubing, the user manual, battery charger, AC cord, as well as the unit itself complete with a suction canister. The unit needs to be fully charged prior to be putting in operation. Once charging takes place and the unit is used, it takes generally between 2 to 4 hours to fully charge the unit. The unit then is rated for about 120 minutes of operation, and that is at 8 to 15 minute intervals. To operate the PM65 on alternating current, plug the power cord into a receptacle, plug the cord from the battery charging unit into the front of the device, switch on the PM65, occlude the tubing, reading the pressure that is read, and please dial in the setting that you wish to vacuum by turning the knob on the top clockwise to increase suction and counterclockwise to decrease suction. When finished, turn the unit off. To operate the unit under battery power, unplug the unit from the wall and the battery charger, turn the unit on, occlude the suction tubing, set your appropriate suction pressure by again rotating the knob on the top counterclockwise to decrease suction, clockwise to increase suction. While under a battery operation, there's a low battery light that will illuminate yellow. If that light is illuminated continuously yellow, the unit is in need of charging. Please discontinue the use of the unit at that time and plug in as soon as possible. When finished using the unit on battery, turn the unit off. During battery charging for the PM65, there is a light on the battery charging block. If this light is illuminated red, it means the battery is drained and is needing charging. When this light turns solid green, it means the battery is fully charged and the unit is capable of 120 minutes of operation on battery with the unit unplugged from the wall. The patient suction tubing and the canister on the rear are single patient use. To change in between patient use, disconnect the suction tubing, disconnect the top of the canister, remove the canister, and change out to a new canister by simply setting it in the holder, reconnecting the tubing, and reconnecting new patient tubing. Should the PM65 fail to provide adequate suction, please check the hydrophobic filter in the back of the unit. To replace this filter, disconnect the tubing to go to the canister, and this filter is actually threaded into the rear of the unit. Unscrew the filter and replace with a new filter, repeating the process of rethreading the filter into the rear of the unit. When the filter is snug, reconnect the canister tubing and the unit is now ready to use. There are 2 units of measure on the vacuum gauge. The black ring is in inches of mercury. The red ring is in centimeters of mercury. To convert centimeters of mercury into millimeters of mercury, just add a 0 onto the end of the centimeters of mercury. For example, 10 centimeters of mercury will yield 100 millimeters of mercury. This will equate to normal vacuum setting within the hospital environment. This concludes this brief training video. Thank you again for watching. If you have any questions, please consult the user manual again for more detailed information, or contact your local representative or Precision Medical directly. Thank you.